Do you ever notice how sometimes software companies will update their programs, and how when you're my age, when you're 61, it throws your whole world off at work? Why do these companies have to update their programs? And everything on the program is the same as it was before. It's just they changed everything around, they changed the colors, they move things up here or there, but it's the same things, they just move things around. And it's the same thing, and then it just, you come in and everything's different. And for me, when they do stuff like that, because I'm older and I'm not like a real computer savvy type.
Maybe you're not processing things faster. You know, they do these software updates to
I don't know if it's an update. It's not an update. It's like, what do? They revamp the program. They like update the way it looks, or the color schemes are different, or
they're enhancing the user interface.
Yeah, but like when you got an old brain, okay, it takes you a couple of weeks to start learning a new look of a program. Okay, so for instance, we use a program at work, and all of a sudden, they were gearing us up, telling us, oh, we're gonna change it over, and it's gonna look a little different. And we're sending messages back to the company going, no, we don't want it, forget it, we hate it, we don't want you to change it. But they did it anyway, of course. They're not gonna listen to us.
Well, did they offer tutorials or?
They did. They let us try it out before they actually went.
Oh, beta testing?
Yeah, they let us look at it and use it a little bit. And I hated it instantly because it was just different from what I was used to. When you got an old brain like this, your connections don't form like right away. In order to, learn something new, it just takes longer.
Okay, but even when they did the update, you get a splash screen that says, see what's new.
Well,
and you can click on it, and there's little videos and that say, okay, we moved this, moved that. Well, some people, in their haste to get through things, just want to just skip over it, and then they end up getting lost.
Okay, well, yeah, I skip over things all the time because I don't want to try anything new. I'm talking about where they decide to revamp the whole screen and how it looks on the screen and everything. They change the colors, they change the fonts, they move things around. It's the same thing, but it's just visually different. Why do they do that? It's like they're fucking with you, man. You come in and your computer looks all different, and then you're like, oh my God. It's like, for me, because I'm older, it's like my whole world has just been shot. I can't function on the computer now because my brain has gotten used to the way this program looked before completely. And now it takes me like 2 weeks to adjust to the new look of the program. And it slows me down. I don't like to be slowed down at work. And I just feel like it's like learning all over again. And I think that maybe younger people could pick up faster when there's a change like this, but when you're older, your brain is different. It just is. You don't grow brain synapses as quickly as you did. Synapses, or whatever you want to call it. Synapses. You don't grow those that quickly as a young person, so it takes you longer to adjust to it. Why do they want to torture us like this? Why are they doing that? Would they just want to make it look like their product is new and improved or something? Or it's just brand new and to attract more users? I don't know.
Some things are more cosmetic, but like with the software that I use, which is the Adobe Creative Suite, they went through a big revamp several years ago, and it was chaos.
Right.
And it was, well, look at the videos of what's changed, and it might help you find what you're looking for.
But I don't know. I just think they should just leave well enough alone. Because it just makes people crazy. It makes me crazy. I don't like coming in and seeing my computer looks different. My programs look different, right? Because I'm visual. Like, I have to see the same visual thing on my computer every time in order to function, because I'm not a computer literate person. And I was just telling my boss this the other day. I'm like, look, I'm trainable. You can sit me at a computer and you tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you do this task. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click, 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 click. I can do that. But if you ask me to fix something that's going wrong on the computer or whatever, I can't do it. I don't even know what a server is, to be honest with you. What is a server? Is it a big box in a warehouse somewhere? What the hell is it? I'm like one of those
something
people.
That's in a closet at a pizza shop.
Okay, well, yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I don't know. So like I'm one of those people that can't figure computers out, so don't ask me to fix anything if something goes wrong. But I can be trained on a computer to click this, click that, click this, click that, get your result. And that's what I operate on. There's a lot of people out there like that. So when they start screwing up not screwing up, but if they start changing their programs to look different, people like me, we freak out because, you know, we're just trying to figure these things out, these computers, and we're just trying to survive on them because we're older. We didn't grow up with computers. I can sit in a computer, but I don't have the savvy that younger people have. But you're a guy, so, you know, you understand computers, no problem. You're the same age as me. Then you're Mensa anyway, so you can figure anything out.
Because I take the time to investigate a problem and figure out how to solve it.
I don't know. I don't understand computers fully, so like I said, I don't even know what a server is. I've heard it. I don't understand what it is. Is it a big box, a big computer in a storeroom somewhere or a business somewhere? What the hell is it? I don't understand what it is.
It's an independent computer. It could be on site. It could be underneath your desk for all you know. Actually, you have it in the closet.
But I mean, like, aren't there main servers places, other places? I don't know how it works. I do not know how it works. I just know how to sit down at a computer, turn the on button on, and then click the things I have memorized to click, and then that's it. And otherwise, I don't understand all this goofy language that tech people use and all that. I don't understand it. I'm trainable, but I don't really understand it completely. So stop confusing us with changing your programs around and making them look pretty and different, but it's all the same thing. It's the same tasks and stuff like that. They just want to make it look pretty and new. And then it visually just makes me insane. I don't know. I've had that happen a couple times now recently, and I just don't understand it. I don't understand it. Do you? Why would they do that? Why do they torturing us?
Well, what I found out one time is that a lot of these changes that software goes through is also out of necessity because of the way the processing chips, the architecture for that is set up. So sometimes the instruction code has to go through a different process. So to help streamline the process to make the program faster, because usually software programs get updated because they get too slow.
Why do they get slow?
Things around.
Why do they get slow?
In my case, graphic images and things like that get larger because they take up more memory because they hold more data, more detail.
Okay, see, now he's starting getting this computer talk. I don't get it. Whatever that means, I don't know. I don't know what it means. I just know how to click buttons on the computer and that's it. I don't understand how it all wires together or how it works. Don't know. Okay, so that's it. I know I'm not the only person out there that feels this way. I'm just so computer illiterate. Anybody else out there feel like that? You come in, you sit down on your computer, you turn it on, and everything looks different. I mean, have you had that happen?
Oh yeah, every operating system update, I'm going, now what do they do?
Right. It's like, oh my God, now what is this? Oh my God, how do I navigate this? What is this shit?
Or every month when the one game that I play, Star Trek Fleet Command, goes through a major update every month. And the big joke is, what did they break this time?
What do you mean, break?
Because the software developers make a new patch or they revamp the program. So Tuesday morning, at the first Tuesday of the month, when you go to launch the game, something major is screwed up. Not only does it look different, but its function's different. It's a disaster. So everybody is scrambling going, what do they do? Where's this? Where's that? Same kind of thing. So it's not just in your work area. It's happening in the gaming world too.
They need to stop that. Stop driving people crazy like that. Just leave well enough alone. If it's broken, fine, fix it. But if it's not broken, leave it alone.
I think the developers are just trying to get some kind of employment security.
What do you mean?
If they keep screwing things up with the software, they're going to be continuously busy with work trying to make fixes for it. Or the education system, because some of these software companies also charge for tech support or for online training. They make a huge amount of money on that.
We do have a tech support company that remotes into our computers whenever we have a problem we can't figure out. But the last time that I had a guy do that, he remoted in because when I opened up my document, it didn't automatically allow me to start editing it. I had to do another process, like I had to take it out of non-edit mode or something like that. I don't know. So I kept on here, but all of a sudden, I don't know when my computer started doing that, but it did. And so then I had the guy remote in to try and help me fix it. He fucked my computer up so bad that now my computer does everything fucked up now. Like, it takes me 3 steps to do one thing. If I want to print something out, it takes me 3 steps to print something out, where last time it only took me like 1.
Maybe you should learn how to do scripting.
I don't know what that is. I just know how to pluck buttons, and that's it. I don't know how to fix anything. These computers are making me nuts. I've had it. I just don't like them.
Maybe you need a little implant to put in your brain.
No.
Have a wetware interface.
Oh yeah, I'll have to ask Elon Musk to give me an implant.